Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a 3 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom luxury home. It is located in the exclusive gated community of Moorland Estate in Manchester and sits on half-acre of land. It features an open concept layout with a spacious living and dining area, kitchen, vaulted ceilings, and both front and back verandas. This property offers comfort and style in every detail. Enjoy added convenience, including a two-car garage, underground water tank, and plenty of room to grow as construction continues. Residents of Moorland Estate have access to world-class amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, and golf course. Make contact today to secure this luxurious property as your future home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Please note that the following prices are subjected to change as development progresses. The current asking price is Jamaican 79 million, US 500.7 thousand, Canadian 716.7 thousand, Euro 459.9 thousand, or 389.1 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.